Our professional development badges and micro-credentials are awarded and managed through Badgr. As you earn badges, you will want to display them in your e-portfolio. This tutorial will walk you through the process of embedding Badgr in a Google site, specifically your e-portfolio. Log into your Badgr account at badgr.com. After logging in, click on Collections. Next, click the Add Collections button. For now, you will create 3 badge collections: Planning and Preparation Foundational, Classroom Environment Foundational, and Instruction Foundational. Later on, you can add other collections at any level. After filling in the name and description, click on Add Collection. You will see the page for the new collection you have created. It will be empty until you assign a badge to the collection. To create the next collection, click on the Collections button again. Repeat this process until you have created the 3 collections we are building today. Go back to the Collections page if you are not already there. You will see the 3 collections you have just created. In order to embed a collection into your e-portfolio, you will need to make it public. Open the Classroom Environment Foundational collection. Although it has no badges at the moment, they will be visible in your e-portfolio as soon as they appear in Badgr. In order to make this happen, you will get an embed code from this page that will display the actual collection, not just an image of it, in your e-portfolio. Click on the Share Collection button. A pop-up window will open. The default for sharing is by web link. You will need to switch to an embed code. Find the menu option for Embed and click on it. When you click on Embed, the window will change and you will see the embed code. Click on Copy in the lower right. You can now paste the embed code into your e-portfolio in Google Sites. You will need to repeat this action to get the embed code for each of your Badgr collections and insert them into the appropriate e-portfolio pages. To log into your e-portfolio in Google Sites, open the Chrome browser and make sure you are signed in under your MPS Connect account. Click on the App Launcher, or Waffle, and select Sites. Google Sites will open to the old version. Earlier, when you created your e-portfolio, you copied the template from this old version and then converted it to new sites. In order to view a new site, find the New Google Sites menu option on the left and click it. You will now see all of the sites you have created in the New Sites format. At this time, your e-portfolio is probably the only Google site connected to your MPS Google account. Find your e-portfolio and open it. You have created 3 badge collections in Badgr. You will now embed each collection into the appropriate page of your e-portfolio. The Planning and Preparation collection in the Planning and Preparation page, and so on. In the new Google Sites, you can double-click on a page to get a circular menu of options. Alternatively, you can use the Insert link at the top right corner. When you click on Embed, the pop-up window will default to By URL. You will need to switch to Embed Code. When you select Embed Code, the window will change and provide a box in which to paste the embed code you have copied from Badgr. After you paste the embed code in the box, click Next in the bottom right and then Insert. At this point, the badge collection will be embedded into the page. If needed, you can resize the area around the badge collection by clicking and dragging the blue box around the collection. Now go back to Badgr and repeat this embed process for the other 2 collections. In the future, when a badge is added to your collection in Badgr, it will automatically display in your e-portfolio.